what was going to happen once I glued this to the back, not really knowing what was under the skin of this turquoise. I knew what was in the middle, but I didn't know what the top looked like. Bit of a guess and a little bit of thinking, and might not be great at critical thinking, but I can tell you how a stone might turn out by forethinking. That's nice. Bye, North Star. Alright, here we go. This is what I'm afraid of doing. We're going to find out. Okay. So, I thought it was going to pick up all the Zam up here, but it didn't. So I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, so it is not going in those pits, which is fantastic. So, very happy with this piece. Get a quick picture of it.